It's almost Christmas, and the thing is that some people are already planning for next year. Some people already drafting their goals. Some people already starting new side hustles. So why not you? So today I've actually gathered different survey websites that you can use to start online surveys and potentially earn some money for yourself. Now you heard me, I say potentially. The reason why I'm doing this video is because some people message me and they say they are from Sierra Leone, some people are from Tanzania, some people are from Ghana, some people are from Cameroon, and they want something to do, or they need extra side hustles, and they want something that actually work globally, not just in Nigeria. So I decided to come here and share some survey websites that can actually try, and it might actually work out for you. Now the reason is because most of these platforms might actually work out for you based on your location. And I also have a good news that I want to share. If you like online survey, don't miss this particular good news. I'm going to share this good news within this particular video. See me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. I talk about different side hustles that you can start just with your smartphone to earn extra cash for yourself. If you want more content from me, just give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content coming your way. Please just comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. That would be really appreciated if you can just do that for me. And if you've not joined my community, what are you waiting for? Just click on that join button and join the community. Thank you very much for supporting the effort. So let's get started. Some people don't believe in online surveys because they don't believe that they can just be answering questions and be earning money from that. While some people actually believe in online survey, but it's mostly not working out for them as they expect it to work out. I was actually live recently on TikTok with somebody, and the person said that the survey that he's actually taking, that they don't really pay that much, that it's just a couple of cents for this particular survey. Now the reason why this actually happens sometimes is actually based on your location. So right here I have a survey platform right here that I think this actually works globally, and I think this is something you can actually try. This platform right here is actually called M3 Global. Right here you can see M3 Global Research. So you can see they say join the world largest panel. You can see for physicians, healthcare, and so on and so forth. This is actually a research panel where you can offer your suggestions, your opinions about different healthcare, physics, science, and the rest, and they actually reward you for taking out your time and answering these particular questions or giving your opinions. If I scroll down, you're going to see a sign up form right there for you to sign up an account. They say verification process. This is the verification process you need to go through. Data protection. The healthcare market research studies we offer to members are well compensated, flexible, and specific to professions and medical specialists. Say you are never obligated to participate, so it's actually a choice. It's not by force for you to participate. Right here in their research studies, they have their contact us form right here and the rest, so you can actually come down here and go through this platform. This is actually a research platform that you can check out. Now like I said earlier, this might work for you based on your location, this might not work out for you, so just for you to choose the one that works for you based on your own location. Now there is a particular one that I have been using personally. I'm still going to share it in this particular video today, so just keep watching. So the next survey platform on my list right here is actually called GrabPoints. GrabPoints is not a new survey platform. No, it's not. It's been around for a while, and a lot of people have been using it to earn. You can see they say earn free cash and gift cards by taking surveys. So as you can see, they say they reward you right here for taking surveys, and they can actually reward you through gift cards. They have over 5,000 reviews on Trustpilot right here. So let me click on that. Let's check out some of their reviews on Trustpilot. They have 4 stars ratings on Trustpilot right here. They say payout starting from $3. So based on what they said, can see on my screen, that is what they said, that their payout here start from $3. So once you complete your survey and then you have up to $3, you can actually place your withdrawal on this particular platform. Please, like I said earlier, this particular platform might work out for you based on your location. It might work out for you, it might not work out for you, so you can actually check it out. If it does work out for you, fine, you can use it. Like I said, I'm not doing this video just for people in Nigeria. I'm doing this video from people in different African countries, because a lot of people have messaged me earlier asking me from different platforms that might work out for them in their location. So if you're from Ghana, check this out. If you're from South Africa, check this out. If you're from Tanzania, check this out. It might work out for you in your location. Remember, you earn points. They call it Grab point. So you earn point by taking surveys, and you can convert your point to cash. I think that is what they actually do. You can see they have different payout options. They have Visa and PayPal and the rest. They offer different payout options, and I think this app is available on Google Play Store and on App Store. So if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, do want to check this out. The next platform on my list right here is this one right here. They call Surveyeah. If you're from a certain location, they like disqualifying you from their surveys a lot. That's what most people have been complaining about, but still it actually works, right? It actually works. You can still do well to check it out. They say we send surveys paid in euros, convertible either on PayPal or as Amazon vouchers. So I think this is another survey platform that you might like. Based on the interface and the structure, it looks like it works globally. So just check this out and tell me what you think. All right, so the next one on my list right here is not really a survey platform, but it's like a GPT platform where you actually earn rewards for completing some easy jobs. It's actually called N Labs. You can see they call it N Labs, and they do reward you right here in points. All right, so it's good to note that I'm currently testing this particular platform right here. I'm currently testing it, so I'm not giving you any guarantee about this specific platform because I'm currently testing it personally. Now after I test it, if I see a result or if I see any result, I'm going to drop a review on my other channel. That's the channel I drop reviews about platforms like this. Do well to subscribe over there so that whenever I drop the review, they are going to notify you. I just took a survey right now and I just completed the survey. You can see I have 250 points, or I actually earned 250 points right now. And the platform that gave me this survey is called YouGov survey. Now this is another platform that I have been taking surveys with for a while now, or they have been offering me a lot of surveys recently, because since I registered, I've been getting surveys consistently. Let me use consistently from this particular platform, and it's been amazing. Although I've not had the time to take all the surveys, but the consistency is what I appreciate a lot. You understand? So YouGov survey, it's another survey platform that you can check out. So earlier I told you that I'm going to share a good news. Now here's the good news. So I spoke with a survey expert, or I spoke with somebody that actually have more idea about taking surveys, and this is somebody that takes online surveys consistently, if I'm not wrong. So I'm going to be hosting the person live on my YouTube channel so that we can get to talk more about online surveys, or possibly I might host him live in my video or in one of my videos, so that we can get to talk more about online surveys and how he does take his online surveys and how he's making money from online surveys. All what you have to do, just subscribe to my channel right now or join my community, so that whenever that particular video dropped or whenever I'm going live, I'm going to notify you if you're in my community. So join my WhatsApp community if possible, join my Telegram community. You're going to see it in the comment section or in the description of this video, or just follow me on surveyyeah.com/solepicturestv. Just follow me there so that whenever I drop the updates, you're going to be notified, or whenever we are going live, I'm going to notify people in my WhatsApp group and in my Telegram channels. Thank you very much. Now the next survey platform that I want to talk about today, I mean, this is something I have been using for a very long time, right? But I think this actually still works. If you like online surveys, I think you should still check this out. Like I said, it might actually work out for you. It's called Pagazani. I've been using it for a very long time. Like seriously, I've been using this platform for 1 year plus now. It's been steady, it's been amazing. Although they diverted their focus from Nigeria, but they are still working in other African countries. They have surveys, but they don't really pay much. They might disqualify you a lot based on your location. One thing I like about them is just their offers. They have different offers that you can actually take. Their payout is fantastic because you can actually withdraw your earnings here through Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, PayPal, gift card. If you think this actually worth your time, just check it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. I mean, I still have some earnings in my wallet. I have like $12 in my wallet that I have earned. I mean, that is still in my wallet till today. Sometimes I even forgot about it, that I have money in my wallet, right? And I've actually placed withdrawals 2 times on this platform, and I got my earnings straight to my PayPal account. Anyone you try and they actually work out for you, just share it in the comment section. Maybe somebody that based in your location might also check it out, and they might also give it a try. Now remember, these platforms, they have their upsides, they have their bad side, they have their pros and they have their cons. Tell me what you think in the comment section, guys.